The advocacy program has made a difference because in our court system, we obviously have attorneys, we have social workers, we have the judge, but we don't have anyone who really has the time. But an advocate provides us with consistency in frequent interactions not only with the child, but with the attorneys, with the social worker, and with the judge. It's probably the person who is most central to the case.
My name is Anna Torres, and I'm 19 years old, and I'm a former foster youth.
And how would you describe your advocate?
She's a wonderful person. She's always there for me. I felt like there was somebody there that cared about me and what I thought and what I liked to do.
How did I select Anna? I had gone through a lot of training, of course, and then they sit you down in a room and give you several files to go through. And I sort of had an image of what type of child I was looking for. And once I started looking through the files, it was, you just sort of connect with the story behind, what they've gone through. She was very sweet, so sweet. You were very animated, very fun. Like the first time we got together, we went down to Malibu, and you got in the car and did a little racing. And
we're like best friends. That's how I feel like. I feel like she's my friend, like my mom. She's like my parent, basically.
Well, what we expect children, foster children, to go through in society is, to me, an extreme, and not having any kind of support for the most part, or one person fighting for them and just them. And so it's such a necessity to have an advocate.